Imagine this, you're trying to concentrate on a task but can't seem to remain on goal since your mind keeps diverting. That's annoying, right? It makes sense that our focus frequently feels like a limited resource in a world full of demands and diversions. But what if I told you there was a quick and easy way to improve your focus permanently? Imagine a life where distractions bounce off of you and you can focus on the work at hand with ease. Your journey toward living that life can begin right here, right now. But first, let me tell you a quick story before we dive into the permanent concentration enhancement techniques. It's a story that illustrates just how powerful the human brain can be when it's harnessed correctly. In 1953, an ordinary man named Henry Molaison underwent brain surgery to treat his epilepsy. However, the surgery had an unexpected consequence. Henry could no longer form new memories. Yet, his ability to focus on certain tasks remained intact. This extraordinary case taught us that different aspects of our cognitive abilities can be selectively enhanced or diminished. To boost focus permanently, we need to understand the mechanics of our mind. Our brain loves novelty and seeks constant stimulation. That explains how simple it is for us to become distracted by our phones or social media updates. Our capacity for concentration includes not just being unable to pay attention to anything, but also paying attention to specific things excessively while ignoring others. The good news is that we can rewire our brains to maintain attention and produce amazing achievements. Let's now explore the methods that can provide your focus a long-term boost. Neuroplasticity. Our brains are remarkably adaptive. They are not fixed in place. This process is referred to as neuroplasticity. It simply means that your brain is capable of rewiring itself. Imagine your mind as a garden. You need to create the proper brain pathways if you want to improve your attention. You may prune your brain to increase its productivity, just like a gardener would. The neural connections connected to a task are strengthened when you regularly concentrate on it. Over time, this leads to permanent improvements in your focus. Mindfulness meditation. Let's now discuss mindfulness meditation, a method that uses your mind's power for good. You might be asking yourself, meditation? I can't sit still for 5 minutes, so that's not for me. Well, relax. Before I discovered the power of active meditation, I had the same thought. Imagine this. You're enjoying your morning coffee while relaxing in your favorite chair and focusing on the sights, sounds, and flavors all around you. That's mindfulness too. It's about being present in the moment and an incredible tool for improving your focus. Dopamine detox. Let's now talk about the big issue at hand, your smartphone. If you've ever lost yourself in social media's never-ending rabbit hole or binge-watched cat videos when you should have been working, raise your hand. As charged, guilty. The problem is that our devices are made to overstimulate our brain's reward system with dopamine. So in a world when there are numerous digital distractions, how can you reclaim control of your attention? Consider a dopamine detox a structured break from excessive digital stimulation. It's like hitting the reset button on your brain. During this detox, engage in activities that don't involve screens, such as reading a physical book, going for a walk, or practicing a hobby. You'll be amazed at how this can recalibrate your focus. Sleep and nutrition. All right, let's talk about the unsung heroes of focus, sleep and nutrition. Who knew that a good night's sleep and a balanced diet could be the keys to unlocking your brain's full potential? Well, we're about to find out. Sleep is when your brain recharges and consolidates memories. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night, and you'll wake up with a sharper focus. As for nutrition, fuel your brain with a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and omega-3 fatty acids. Avoid excessive sugar and processed foods as they can lead to energy crashes and reduced focus. Last but not least, let's discuss habit formation. Do you know why habits are so powerful? It's because they're like shortcuts for your brain. Once a behavior becomes a habit, your brain can execute it almost effortlessly. To permanently boost your focus, incorporate focus-enhancing habits into your daily routine. Start small, be consistent, and gradually build up. Whether setting aside dedicated focus time or using a productivity technique like the Pomodoro method, these habits will become second nature and permanently enhance your concentration. Let's dive into the fascinating world of neuroscience, where Andrew Huberman, a distinguished neuroscientist, reveals a game-changing secret. He unveils a 17-minute practice that can supercharge your focus permanently. This isn't just for the easily distracted. It can benefit anyone looking to enhance their mental clarity, and it's even a game-changer for those dealing with ADHD or concerned about age-related cognitive decline. What's the magic behind this 17-minute practice? Well, it all comes down to reducing something called attentional blinks. We all experience these frustrating lapses in attention in our daily lives. Andrew Huberman has uncovered a technique that can significantly reduce these attentional blinks, leading to improved focus. By dedicating just 17 minutes of your day to this practice, you can train your brain to stay on track and minimize those pesky distractions. Here's the exciting part. This technique isn't just for specific groups, it's universally beneficial. Whether you're a student looking to ace your exams, a professional aiming for peak productivity, or someone worried about age-related mental decline, this practice can work wonders for you. It's like a mental gym workout that keeps your focus muscles in top shape. So here's the takeaway. Andrew Huberman's 17-minute practice offers a simple yet profound way to permanently boost your focus and reduce those annoying attentional blinks. It's a game changer for anyone seeking enhanced productivity, and it's backed by science. Thanks for joining us today as we journey into the world of neuroscience and discover how to supercharge our focus. Remember, just 17 minutes a day could lead to a lifetime of enhanced concentration and mental clarity. We create a community of committed people by sharing it in the comments section, and let's review what we've learned today before we finish. We've gone into the intriguing field of neuroscience, learning about topics like neuroplasticity, mindfulness meditation, dopamine detox, the value of proper diet and sleep, and the power of habit development. These methods will change the way you handle issues in life as well as your ability to concentrate. I appreciate you coming along with me on this quest to find your unbreakable concentration. Until the next video, stay focused and make every minute count.